Hi friends, I am Marina Jawan from St. Thomas HSS Thangamani under 33 Kerala NCC Battalion. Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a special economic package of rupees 20 lakh crore with the aim of making the country independent against the tough competition in the global supply chains to help in empowering the poor, laborers, migrants who have been adversely affected by COVID-19. The various measurements of business are collateral free loans for business. All business, including MSME, will be provided with collateral free automatic loans of up to 3 lakh crore. Corpus for MSME. A fund with a corpus of rupees 1000 crore will be set up for MSME. This will provide funding for MSME with growth potential and viability. There are too many measurements in business sector like this. In agriculture and allied sectors, the various measurements are concessional credit boost to farmers, agri-infrastructure fund, emergency working capital for farmers, support to fishermen, animal husbandry infrastructure development. Through these schemes, the common people including farmers are empowered and they will be provided institutional credit facilities at concessional rates. One nation, one card. Through this policy, the migrant workers will be able to access the public distribution system from any fair price shop in India by 2021 under the scheme. This scheme will introduce the interstate portability of access to ration for migrant laborers. FDI limit in defense manufacturing under automatic route will be increased from 49% to 74%. Make in India initiative will be promoted in the defense sector, aiming to make the country independent in terms of production. Government of India is taking several steps to ensure that we are well prepared to face the challenges and threats posed by COVID-19. With active support of citizens of India, we have been able to reduce the spread of virus so far. One of the most important factors in the fight with the virus is to empower the citizens with accurate information and enable them to take precautions as per the advices being issued by different ministers. So let's join our hands to fight against COVID-19.